Alright, so we have a cube here. Let's select our 3D model and enter the edit mode. Then you have to enable the mirror in the modifiers panel. Also enable all the 3 axes, X, Y and Z, so you will be able to do your mirror editing in all directions actually. And start doing something, like this or this. Transform your model as you wish, working from a side only, because Blender will automatically clone your editing on the opposite part. Alright, let's use also the extrude just to make it a random shape here, I don't know what it is, but maybe it's a cross. Futuristic cross. Let's see, I'm just having fun in order to show you how the mirror modifier looks like. So I'm using also the bevel tool, which is great because I can smooth all the edges of a selected part, like this. So let's go back to object mode. Okay, here's my creature here. Done. Well, I don't know what it is, but at least you've learned what you can do with the mirror modifier in Blender. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel to stay updated about new videos and tutorials. And don't forget to play my games if you want to have some fun and keep your brain healthy. Links are in the description. See you next time.